Today I'm going to fix a broken string on an old grand piano. Hello, my name is Davíð. I have to change the string. It's broken. I have to measure the string, the size of it. Then I have to take the tuning pins up and put the new strings inside. That's what I'm gonna do. First measuring with this tool here. I have to take a measurement of the string, so we have the same size for the new strings and the old strings. 84. 084. Usually when I'm changing the strings, I use gloves. If I'm just doing one string like I'm doing today, I don't put the gloves on, so I can save my fingers. If I do a lot of it, then I use the gloves. I use the gloves so I'm not touching the strings with some fat or grease on my fingers, so they look better and last longer. That's why I use the gloves. I'm just hiring the pins, the tuning pins, put the strings in and make them in the right position. I put them here in the right position, in between. And I put the length of the string. So I use my 4 fingers and put it where the tuning pin is, and that's the ideal length of the string to go around the tuning pin, because the strings is going 3 times around the tuning pin, so my 4 fingers is like that, going 3 times around the tuning pin. Here. On this one. Here. I'll do the same here. The string is not flying away from us. If you have some questions, comment below and I will answer you. This tool to pull up the string, so it's sitting better on the tuning pin. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more videos like this. Here too. Usually I put some cloth under my tools on the pianos I'm working in, because I don't want to scratch them and damage them. But this piano, I put the tools there because this is an old grand piano and a lot of damages and scratches inside there, so I decided just to have it there. Press the string together where the hole is. Can you see it here, the strings? That is that they are not close together, so I have to put them together like the string here. You see? So try this first one. Little. Take this one off here. Put the string a little down. Here. Fix this one. Now I'm just raising up the pitch of the strings, so it's better to tune it when I start tuning the piano. So I have to tune it because they are falling down in a few seconds, they go down again. I have to make them equal. Finish changing the string and put them little down here compared to the other pins around it. So if they are sitting little high, the tuning pin I was changing the strings on, I have to put them little down. I have to raise the pitch on the strings up again. Now I put them little higher than the original string. They will lower down after a few minutes. I finished changing the broken strings. These are the tools I used.